Hi, my name is Prabha here. Okay, we are from VP Clean Through Services. Today we are going to do a king mattress cleaning and 2 single bed. So normally we start vacuum first and then followed by steaming and remove all the dust mites from the mattress, and also we clean the frame as well, not only the mattress. This is a Kacha German machine. It's a professional upholstery, Fuji 30. So actually it's a large quantity, 30 liter. And this is a Kacha German machine also. It's a steam SC4. Okay, what I spray today for the mattress is we put a tablet that can disinfection of mattress, can kill bacteria, virus, and also can remove odor. Any smell or fat or urine smell can remove easily without any skin irritation